Well, thousands of young immigrants have been waiting for 2 years to get Arizona driver's licenses. Yesterday, a U.S. District Court judge paved the way, saying dreamers can start applying despite Governor Jan Brewer's attempt to stop it. About 22,000 undocumented immigrants in Arizona will be impacted, those protected under the president's new immigration policy. 9 News Side's Ricky Mitchell joins us live in the newsroom with this story. Ricky.
Well, Stella, like you said, this only applies to those under the Deferred Action Program. So come Monday, they will have to show up at the MVD with their Deferred Action cards. And if they pass the written and road tests, they'll drive away with one of these.
When 25-year-old Adon Carrasco heard about yesterday's ruling, he said he screamed with excitement.
People are excited for the holidays right now. I think I'm more excited to waste 8 hours at the MVD.
Carrasco says his parents brought him to Tucson when he was 11.
I've been here forever. I feel like an American. I am an American, and to not be able to do something so simple has been really frustrating.
9 on Your Side spoke with Carrasco in 2012 when he was granted deferred action, but then told he could not apply for a driver's license. At the time, he drove using his Mexican driver's license, but that has since expired.
I've been driving without a license for the last almost 2 years, so it's been kind of scary to go out there and just kind of still feel scared to just be doing something so simple that everybody gets to do and a lot of people take for granted.
Senior immigration attorney John Messing says yesterday's ruling will likely stick, but Governor Brewer does have a chance to keep fighting.
Governor Brewer still has the option to go forward on the case before the Supreme Court, and in a year and a half from now, if it were successful, then we would have a big mess about how to get those licenses back.
And come Monday, Carrasco says he will be the first in line.
We're all going to be there, really excited. We're all going to celebrate the victory. Hopefully we all pass.
And Governor Jan Brewer issued this statement saying, quote, "The right to determine who is issued a driver's license is reserved for the states, not the federal government or an unelected judiciary. It is outrageous that Arizona is being forced to ignore long-standing state law and comply with a flawed federal court mandate that requires the state, at least temporarily, to issue driver's licenses to individuals whose presence is in violation of federal law as established by the United States Congress." And she went on to say that her legal team will pursue the U.S. Supreme Court to review this ruling. In the newsroom, I'm Ricky Mitchell, KGUN 9 on Your Side.
Ricky, thank you very much.